Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can turn a sentence into a moving video? Meet Sora, OpenAI's newest model that transforms plain text into stunning, realistic videos. But how does it actually work? Let's take a simple example. A man walks in the snow. To you, it's just a sentence, but to Sora, it's a world to be built. First, the text is broken down into smaller parts. Words like a man walks in the snow. These are called tokens. Each of these tokens is converted into numerical vectors, a process known as embedding. This helps the model understand not just the words, but their context and meaning. Next, these embeddings are passed through a massive neural network, a multi-layered system of artificial neurons inspired by the human brain. Each layer interprets different aspects of the input: actions, objects, environment, and relationships between them. The model analyzes the sentence and builds an internal representation of the scene: a man walking, snow falling, motion, emotion, physics. But Sora doesn't stop there. It starts generating individual image frames, one by one, predicting what the video should look like at each step. The man is drawn, then the snow, then the motion begins. Each new frame adds more detail, more realism, more life. Sora not only imagines what the video should look like, it simulates how the world behaves. Snowflakes fall naturally, shadows move as if under real light. The man's walking style matches the environment. The result? A few words become a full video experience. This is more than just animation. This is AI-powered storytelling. This is Sora.